259 million views, 200 million views, 193 million views. Now look at this channel, Nunu TV, Nursery Rhymes. It has over 28 million subscribers just by uploading simple kids videos. And this isn't a one-time viral hit. Channels like Cocomelon, Kiwi Kids, and Lalafun are doing the same thing and pulling in massive attention every single day. So you might be wondering, how are they doing this? Why do these videos get so many views? And more importantly, how can you do the same? Actually, it's much easier than you think. I can't wait to show you how it's made. Step 1. Generate a nursery rhyme prompt. Open ChatGPT and paste a prompt like, create a fun, peppy kids song that teaches the A to Z alphabet with engaging melodies. You can also enter any similar prompt. Just describe your idea in a simple way like this. Then ChatGPT will generate the corresponding lyrics and instructions for you. Step 2. Create the song. Now we'll use another tool, HitPaw Edimakor. This software allows you to generate audio, images, and videos all in one place, and it's very powerful. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, just click the link in the description and install it. Open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Audio, AI Music. Select the Lyria 3 Pro model. Paste your prompt. Then go to Vocal Settings and choose Child Vocal. Click Generate, and in about 30 seconds, your audio will be ready.
Clap your hands, let's go, come on. We're gonna sing the alphabet song.
Step 3. Generate images. Select the lyrics you want and add this instruction. Generate corresponding image prompt for these lyrics. ChatGPT will generate image prompts for you. Then go to AI Image Generator, and choose Text to Image. There are many models available. Image 2 is one of the best choices. Paste your prompt, set the aspect ratio and output quantity, then click Generate. Repeat this process to create all the remaining images. Step 4. Generate videos. Go to AI Video, then click Image to Video. Choosing the Kling 3.0 model will give you better results. Upload your image. Then briefly describe the motion you want. For example, the letters A, B, and C enlarge one after another. Next, set the duration and mode, then click Generate. In just a few moments, your video will be ready. For the rest of the clips, simply repeat the same steps. Step 5. Edit the video. Finally, drag all the clips onto the timeline in the correct order. Trim any unnecessary parts, and export your final video in 4K resolution. And that's it for today's video. Let's take a look at the final result.
Nice and slow. A is for apple, shiny red. B is for bear, jumping on the bed. C is for cat, wiggle and purr. D is for dog, going woof woof grr grr. Sing it loud, sing with me, learning letters easily. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, L, M, N, O, P.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.